Hello, I'm Brenda Schofield, marketing strategist for SoldByAuthor.com. We're announcing our reverse marketing program, modeled after the TikTok shop system, but tailored specifically to books. We're seeking influencer affiliate creators to join our platform and represent our growing base of author members. This is a rapidly growing area of indie author book marketing, as I will demonstrate in these YouTube video clips, which showcase the substantial amount of money currently being earned by book review affiliates on the TikTok shop platform. Our program is just better. We don't require our author members to pre-purchase book inventory, and the commissions our author members pay are, well, much better too. Let's take a look at what Sean has to say.
There are very few booksellers taking advantage of this. But the publishers, the booksellers who are doing this are making insane amount of money. So let me show you some examples over here. So the first one is Hear Your Story. You might have heard of this brand, but in the last 30 days, it has generated over $157,000 in revenue, which is insane, but that's not the craziest part. The craziest part is right here. It says the affiliate revenue, and that is $148,000. So most of the overall revenue of $157,000 is coming from affiliates. This section that says self-operated account revenue is how much they made from making content themselves. So they're literally only making $283 from their own content, but the affiliates made $148,000, which is absolutely insane, right? Now, let me show you a children's book example. So we have this one, Author K. Sanders. So it's the exact same story with this brand. They made $168,000 overall revenue, and affiliates generated $162,000 of that. Now I want to show you a nonfiction book example. Okay, so we have Mindful Minds Co-Publishing, and this brand generated $25,000 in revenue from TikTok. $25,000, so pretty much 100% of this came from affiliates, right? Like all affiliates, you're not even doing anything. And it's just crazy. They generated zero, which is weird because they also have their own page making content. So I don't know if this is accurate. I noticed that Cal data is like pretty accurate, but maybe they're just kind of glitching out right now. I'm like trying to pick one example for every single category of books just to show you that it works for most niches or most type of books. So this is a poem book, okay? So this is doing $24,000 in revenue the last 30 days. Again, 100% or most of it came from the affiliates. This one right here, Question About Me, very similar to the Dad, I Want to Hear Your Story, right? Pretty much the same type of book. $112,000 revenue, okay? $95,000 in affiliate revenue. Anyways, as you can see, most revenue came from affiliates, but the affiliates is how you scale, right?
As mentioned on this page, our authors offer a 25% commission on ebooks, 20% on hardcover, and 15% on paperback, averaging approximately 20%. There's some good money to be made. Unlike TikTok, you don't need to worry about out-of-stock issues, and as long as your videos are live, you will continue to earn commissions on every sale made on the SBA platform. Can you just imagine the income you can earn when representing 20 or 30 authors and having several hundred videos working for you? So what are you waiting for? Apply to be an affiliate today.